Hello, this is Frederick Newman here again, and today I'll be bringing you yet another video to show you how you could possibly swap Minereum Bsc Token to Ethereum. And in my last video, I did a video on how to swap MetaMask token to Ethereum. So should you have MetaMask token in your wallet, it shouldn't be a problem for you now, because I've done a video to show you how you could successfully swap your MetaMask token to any other token of your choice. And today I will be working on yet another token that has been given issues or concerns on how to swap, which is the Minereum Bsc token. So I'll be doing a video now to show you how you could possibly swap this token to any other token of your choice. And for this video, I will be swapping my Minereum Bsc token to Ethereum. But before we proceed, I would say, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe to it. Click the subscription button and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on the notification so you could always get notified anytime I post videos as this here. And without wasting much of our time, I would dive into the video properly. Now, we will be doing the swap on O2 Swap webpage. That is the platform where we are going to be working on to show you how you would be able to swap your token, your Minereum Bsc token, to Ethereum. And don't worry, I will be dropping the links to all the sites I'll be visiting today on the description below. So you go to the description below and click on the right link, and it will take you to the appropriate page you need to be. So now let's proceed. This is the O2 Swap webpage, and what I'm going to do now here is to click on Connect Web Wallet. I would have to connect my wallet where I have all my crypto assets stored in. I would have to connect to it here on O2 Swap web page, so I'll be able to do the swap successfully. So I'll go ahead and click on Connect Web Wallet, and it's giving me this page that says create a new wallet, and the second one says I already have a wallet. So now here I am going to select I already have a wallet, because like I said, I have a wallet where I have all my crypto assets in, and Minereum Bsc is one of the tokens I have in there. So I'll go ahead and click on I already have a wallet to connect my wallet here on O2 Swaps and do the swap. Alright, the next thing to do is to impute my passphrase in here so that the connection will happen successfully, and I would have my wallet brought in here for the purpose of the swap that we want to do. But I'm going to have to blur this side out because I wouldn't want to release my passphrase to you. So I'll blur it off. I'm sorry. I have to blur it off and impute my passphrase. And then once I'm done, I will have to click on the import wallet. It's going. You just give it time to load. Sometimes network is okay. This is good. It's going. The network is good. But if your network is not that strong, it might take a little while to load up this page. All right. Okay. You can see that I have my wallet connected here, and then we are good to go. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on the launch app button to launch the interface where we will be doing the swap on. Because I have my wallet connected here already, so I'm going to click on launch app and go straight to the work. Alright, you can see from here I already have a 3.4 Ethereum balance in my wallet. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is I would click on this Ethereum here, showing here, and change it from Ethereum to Smart Chain, because we'll be working on Smart Chain. Minereum Bsc is on Smart Chain, so we'll click on Smart Chain. And then the next thing to do is I will change this from Ethereum to Minereum Bsc, because that's actually the token we will be swapping today. And I'll click on it. Yeah, here on the search I do not have Minereum Bsc. I would have to import that in here, and to do that I would go to bscscan to bring the contract address of Minereum Bsc Token. So let's navigate straight to bscscan, and like I said, never worry, I would drop the link to all these pages on the description below. So you go to the description below and click on the right link. It will bring you right where you need to be. So now I have the bscscan page open. Now I'm going to have to search for Minereum Bsc. Okay, there it is there, and I'll click on it. Okay, then I'm going to have to look for where the contract address is and copy it. This is it here, and I'm going to click on copy here, and I have that copy. Then after doing that, I'll go back to the O2 swap page and input this contract address here to import my Minereum Bsc token into this O2 swap page and do the swapping. So I will input the contract address here, and you wait for it to load. Oh yeah, that is it there. So I'm going to click on import and have that imported. All right, you can see I have my Minereum token imported here, and the next thing to do is to change to the token I want to swap it to. You understand, I have 150,000 MNEB tokens, and I'll be swapping it to Ethereum like I said. So I will change this DI token to Ethereum. So I'll click on it and select Ethereum. Yes. Alright, now I'm all set, and the next thing to do is to select the amount of MNEB tokens I would want to swap for Ethereum. And for this video I would just do 80,000. Okay, yeah, let me do 80,000. Okay, when I'm done with the swap, I will be having 1.2101 Ethereum added to my 3.4 Ethereum I have already in my wallet. So the next thing to do is just to click on swap, and we wait for it to do what the process is and have the swap done for us successfully. So we wait. I hope the network it's not bad again this time around. All good. I have successfully done it. And you would see in a moment. All right, it is there. Now I have successfully swapped my Minereum Bsc token to Ethereum, and you can see my Minereum balance is now 70,000 as to 150 it was before, and now I have 4.5254 Ethereum in my wallet now, and I know this will never be an issue for me or for anybody to swap, because Ethereum is easy to swap to any asset you desire to swap to. So for the purpose of this video, I am done with it. I have successfully swapped my Minereum token from Minereum Bsc to Ethereum. And should you have this token in your wallet and you've been having issues with it before now, the problem has come to an end. by you coming across this video. So all you need to do is just follow the step-by-steps of how I did the swap on this video, and you will be able to swap your Minereum Bsc token to any other crypto asset you desire to swap it to. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Set it on all videos I'll be releasing, because I'll be doing series of videos showing you how to swap most of these coins that have been giving people issues to swap. I'll be doing series of videos and showing you, so stay connected, stay locked up to my channel, don't go nowhere. You are yet about to discover more tokens that you could swap. Thank you very much. This is Frederick Newman here, and I'm signing out. Thank you. Be good. Come on.